Hannah I met through sailing a long time ago, but kind of got to know each other during the last Volvo Ocean Race. Hannah sailed on 11th hour racing and I sailed on Turn the Tide on plastic, and there's obviously quite a bit of time in port and we're kind of from the same generation of British sailors, I guess, so you kind of chat in between the legs and of how it went and the different experiences and things.
Fastnet is coming up really soon. It's going to be a really competitive race this year. We've got a great boat to go racing in, Henry and I doing it first time double-handed. The boat's pretty much ready and we just need to sort ourselves and the course out now, so we're ready to go on Saturday. The morning of the race is always quite a nervous time. You're making sure that you've got absolutely everything you need on the boat, just going over the checklist that we've got, making sure that we're really ready to go. And then we've got a good routine of how we build up to the start, so a mix of nerves and excitement, I think, probably before the start.